The federal prison of Alcatraz was a high-security prison in the United States. Located on an island in San Francisco, California, the main building of this prison began construction in 1910. Welcome to a new Tips for Trips and AV video. This is a YouTube channel about travel and technology, so please support the channel and hit subscribe. We rented a car and drove 6 hours from Los Angeles to San Francisco. To visit Alcatraz Island, you have to take a ferry. The ticket price starts from $41 US. This includes the ferry, the entrance ticket, and the audio guide. Inside the ferry, you can buy something hot to drink and eat. The ferry takes about 10 to 15 minutes to get you to the island. When you see the prison for the first time, the sensation is incredible. That's a piece of history you're looking at. And please don't forget to bring a coat. The weather in San Francisco is pretty weird. We went there in December. Alcatraz was one of the most notorious and well-known prisons in the world. Alcatraz was designed to hold prisoners who were constantly causing trouble in other federal prisons. It housed some 15,000 of America's most ruthless criminals, including none other than Al Capone himself. Since the year 1860, Alcatraz was originally a citadel, and the island became a federal prison in August 1934. A total of 36 prisoners made 14 escape attempts during the prison's 29 years of existence. During its operation, the prison stated that no prisoner successfully escaped. A total of 36 prisoners made 14 escape attempts. 2 men tried twice. 23 were discovered. 6 were shot in the head during the escape. 2 drowned. And 5 are missing and presumed drowned. The cells were very primitive and lacked privacy, with a bed, a desk, a sink, and a toilet at the back of the wall, with little furniture except for the blanket. African Americans were segregated from the rest of the inmates in designated cells due to the racial abuse of the time. The prison corridors were named after major streets in the United States, such as Broadway and Michigan Avenue. By the 1950s, prison conditions improved, and prisoners were given more privileges, such as playing musical instruments, watching movies on weekends, painting, and using the radio. But it was by far the most expensive prison in the United States, and one of the most extreme in America. A 1959 report stated that Alcatraz was more than 3 times more expensive to maintain than other US prisons. The Alcatraz problem was made worse by the fact that the prison was structurally damaged due to the exposure to salt and wind, and it will take $5 million to cover the cost of the problem. So, faced with high maintenance costs and a poor reputation, Alcatraz was closed on March 21, 1963. But the Alcatraz story wasn't really over. In November 1969, the prison was occupied by 89 Native Americans. They claimed that since the prison was no longer operational, the government should return its land to them. But the government ended this occupation 19 months later. Today the prison is a museum and one of San Francisco's largest tourist attractions, drawing over 1 million visitors each year. some coffee to warm us on our way back to land. I hope you had fun with this quick video. Please support the channel and hit subscribe. And see you soon.